Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel BRP Traders. So what we have discussed in the index and some of the stocks we gonna see here guys. What happened, I have told you only that here only it will be the make a bullish candle, but this is the bullish candle guys. We do not have to enter at this position because we do not see the if it will goes or upside momentum, but I have told you this will be the act as a resistance because this will be the final target. What happened, continuously goes upside, consolidated. After here only somewhere at this red candle only you have to take your SL at this position and you can have this trade guys. Hope you have traded this. After that it goes on a consolidation phase only, not done anything right now. Okay guys, we can see next index is that NASDAQ guys. So you gonna see here guys, what happened is that in here you can see here slightly gap up happened. After that I have always tell you that if buyer are trying this much, then they cannot take it downside momentum. So that's why at this area only they taken it once again upside momentum, consolidation happened and close. Nothing much more I have to explain in this also guys. Okay guys, we can see for so you can see here SPX also what happened is that just gap up open. After that it sustained its level. After that it's coming downside and here only you can see that buyer dominance is here guys, always at this position only. After that only it taken a here as a support and consolidate and closed. So it is act as a one of the sideways market only. It gonna gives us very huge momentum guys. So what we have to do right now is that we can see next some of the stocks guys, and then we can discuss for tomorrow how it gonna works and how you gonna trade. Here only I have told you also the gap up happened. After that consolidation phase only, nothing much I have to tell you in Tesla. Okay guys, in Amazon also same thing happened. Nothing is bigger momentum has happened. You can see here consolidation only happened. Okay guys, in Microsoft, in Apple, all have behaved same only, not making a so much bigger move because Apple there will be the some of the news or some sort of thing happen. That's why it's gonna slightly bigger momentum and upside momentum. You can see that open, and after that only you have to see here guys, this will act as supporting levels and exactly acted as supporting. And if you have grabbed this, very nice momentum has been you have grabbed. Hope you have traded this and got a very huge momentum guys. Okay guys, now we gonna see for where today you can trade index and some of the stocks. So let's begin where we can trade Dow Jones right now. Okay guys, you can see here guys what happened in Dow Jones right now. I am seeing very nice pattern and somewhere here like this the trend line is going on guys. Okay, right now it's broken, but you have to see that if slightly gap down happened or sort of thing happened, then you have to see that this will be the one of the major trend line guys. Okay guys, what we have to see, if it once again consolidate or sort of thing happen, then it will break, then it gives us huge momentum. Or you can just take like this so you can get a better idea. Just a second guys. Okay, just a second. So somewhere like this or sort of this like this you can kept. Okay, just let it be guys. So if it will came downside and take support, our first target will be somewhere here guys, second target will be here, third target up till here, and fourth target you can easily reach up till here. Okay guys, if this will consolidate and broken downside, then you can expect your first target, this will be the second target guys. Okay guys, if it will came once again downside, then will be the third target and this will be the fourth target. Okay guys, we gonna see for next index is that NASDAQ. Okay guys, in NASDAQ also what happened we can seeing here is that it is consolidation, continuously consolidation and closed. So right now we have to see that it has to broke this or it has to broke at this level. Okay guys, just a second. Okay, you have to see this. Okay guys, if this is broken in upside momentum, you can see here this is the trend line. Okay guys, if it will continuously consolidate and broken and take support, our first target will be here, second target, and our third target will be the just somewhere here guys. These are the three target for NASDAQ. Okay guys, here only consolidate and take resistance and coming downside and broken this trend line, then you can expect your first target, second target and third target, and you can expect fourth target too guys. Okay guys, up till here. Okay guys, we can see for now as a SPX. Okay guys, in XPX also exactly that pattern only happened. You can see here guys, sorry guys, so you can see here guys, somewhere like this the trend line is going on. So I will just do it. So right now you can see here somewhere like this it's a trend line also. Okay guys, please track down the SPX more and more so you can get the bigger and nicer picture right now. Okay guys, if open flat then consolidate, it will be the very huge momentum is coming along. You can keep this will be the first target, second target, and this will be the third target. Okay guys, if what happened it open a slightly gap up or something, this will act as our one of the supporting area. It will consolidate or take support, then broken, take support, upside momentum, or gap up open, then you can see that it will take supports from here and you can reach easily your first, second, and your three targets. Okay guys, if it will came consolidation and broken this, you can expect your first target will be here, second target will be here, and third target as usual. Okay guys, we can see for some of the stocks guys. First of all we can see for Tesla guys. Okay guys, in Tesla also making a very nice momentum right now, and what I am seeing, it is the bullishness I am seeing in the Tesla also. You can see here. Okay guys, just the thing is that bullishness, how bullish is that Tesla right now. Okay guys, so right now I am seeing that the today's market, if no news will came, so upside momentum, very huge momentum will came. If this consolidate and broken, then it will act as one of the supporting area. Okay guys, if it consolidate and break, then it gonna gives us very huge momentum. Okay guys, our first target will be somewhere here, second target, and our third target will be 310. Okay guys, in downside also, if consolidate and broken this, then you can expect your first target, this will be the second and final target guys. Do not take any more guys, here only the possibility is high it goes a turnaround market. Okay guys, we can see next is that Amazon guys. Right now Amazon also, what I am looking is that guys, every stock I am looking is looking like a bullish only guys, because you can see here this will be the act as one of the resistance area, broken or some gap up open, take support. Our first target, second target is enough for this. Okay guys, here also the trend line is going on like this. If consolidate broken, your first target, your second target, your third target. Okay guys, these are the three target. Okay guys, we can see for next stock. Okay guys, this is the Microsoft, and you can see here guys, here also the consolidation only happened, and it's looking like this trend line. Okay guys, if this is broken, then you can expect a huge momentum. Okay guys, I will just see somewhere like this, broken, our first target, second, and our third target. Okay guys, if it will, here the trend line is going on somewhere like this. Okay guys, just a second, like this. Okay guys, this is broken, then you can expect your first target, second target, third target. Okay guys, we can see next and last stock is Apple. Okay guys, in Apple stock it is already in a bullish phase only, but what we have to see is that this will act as one of the supporting area, but this is the major supporting area. But right now what I am saying, every stock is bullish only, so we can expect that from here only it comes and somewhere take support, then you can expect your first target, second, third, and fourth target. Okay guys, these are the four target in upside momentum. If it will came and take resistance, then you can expect your first target, second, third and final target. Okay guys, hope you are getting all the logics guys. If you have any queries, please comment me down and tell me so I can help you more and more. Thank you for watching this video guys. Thank you so much.